Hello, friends. Hi, all. Happy New Year to everyone. Happy New Year 2021 to everyone. I hope everyone's doing good, staying safe and staying healthy. And सबका ये साल बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है अभी तक. I'm waiting for everybody to come online and join us. And then we will talk about many topics related to positive thinking. जिन लोगों को नहीं पता, I'll introduce myself again. I am Anjal C. Kakkar. I'm a tarot card reader, a PhD in Vastu Shastra, a numerologist, a palmist, a Akashic record reader, a face reader, an handwriting analyst, an astrologer, and the list goes on because I keep learning everything and new things every day. That's how it's supposed to be, right? You need to keep learning all the time. So, yes, I'm waiting for you guys to come online to join me and we will start this session. I'm really excited for today because being the new year, we've entered a new phase, we've entered a new step. We all need to remember that for this year we need to be very compassionate because there's a very movement of cycles, Sagittarians, Capricorns. So the signs are moving, everything is planets are moving. There will be a lot of eclipses this year as well. So everything will keep changing with the duration of time. So this year, make sure, guys, collective consciousness, as I've always told, your meditation, which is very important, at least for 10 minutes in a day, and being compassionate towards everyone and looking into your priorities instead of going somewhere or talking about someone and not making a mark on your priorities. So, if you really want this year to be good, follow 2 3 steps and trust me, this year will be very good for everyone. Make sure what your priorities are, set your goals, go ahead for that, and stay compassionate and collectively move forward because 2020 has taught us many things, right? It has taught us the attitude of gratitude. It has taught us the value of our family, of our relationships with everybody. So many things have been taught by us in 2020. So we all need to move forward keeping those past things in our mind and then move forward, right? Because that's how it's supposed to be. So yes, I'm waiting for everybody to come online. I want the session to be very interactive. I want you to interact with me because last time when I asked for the topics from you, somebody gave me the topic of wealth, and today we're going to talk about wealth, money, health, and time. So yes, we're going to manage these things together by you talking about wealth today. So yes, I'm waiting for you guys to come online and join me. Guys, yes, I'm waiting for you to come online. I'm waiting for a hello, hi from everybody. Please. I want you to participate. When we participate together, it's always fun, it's always good. I get to know your point of view as well. Hi, Megha. Hi, Papa. Yes, I can see people are increasing. So, yes, please join me and we will move further. So, yes, whoever joins in, please send a hi, please send hello. And yes, Happy New Year to everybody who's joining in. Hi, Lakshay. Okay, yes. So I see people are joining in, and I'm very happy about that. And I'm very excited for this session. Yes. So, what is prosperity? We spoke about prosperity in the last sessions, right? So, yes, what is prosperity? How do you define prosperity? As I've told you, prosperity is those five things, right? Being mentally energized, being emotionally stable, being physically fit, being financially secure, and being mentally active. And yes, the social quotient also matters. So, all these things, when are aligned together, we call it prosperity. And we lead, step by step to the ladder of prosperity. So, if these things are aligned, all of our matching words to prosperity, our matching steps to prosperity matches, and we move forward in life with a lot of happiness, wealth, success, right? So yes, now today we're going to talk about money. So yes, first thing, I remember somebody giving me the point money, wealth. We're going to talk about that. What is wealth according to you guys? What is wealth, what is money, and how do we relate it to time and health? So it's very easily said by people, right? Money, time cannot buy money. Some people believe that, right? Some people believe it's always better to cry in a BMW than crying in a Maruti, right? So every person has their own stigma, every person has their own belief. Today we're just going to talk about money. When we have to attract that money, when we have to, money is basically success. आपके पास कितना पैसा है, how much you're having, doesn't have to do anything, doesn't have to do anything at all with what you desire. So I always say, whatever we are desiring, if we are getting that, we have enough money. But what is this word enough? Enough क्या होता है? What is our net worth? What is your net worth? What is my net worth? Our net worth is our network. Our net worth is our relationships. हमारा नेटवर्क, वो जो हम लोगों से बात करते हैं, लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, सोशली मूव करते हैं, एंड वी डू नॉट जेल अप विद एवरीबडी, राइट? एवरीबडी इज नॉट फ्रॉम आवर वाइब्स. सबके अपने अपने थॉट्स हैं. Some people let put you down, some people make you up. Thank you, Art of Joy. So yes, some people push you up, some people pull you down, right? Everybody has their own point of view, as I always say, and we reach the ladder to success, only when we come out of this criticism. Last time, the last session, we spoke about criticism. So yes, when we come out of this criticism, we definitely achieve a lot of success in our life. Why? Because see, आपके tribe में, your tribe is, your vibe, you attract the same tribe. It's saying, right? आप same tribe attract करते हैं, whatever is your vibe. So yes, guys, how do we make our tribe? You cannot match with anybody, you cannot match with everybody, and it's not even important. You interact with those people, keep those people with you, with whom your tribe, your vibe matches. So make that your tribe, जिनके साथ आपकी vibe match करती है, आपकी thinking match करती है, आपके attitude match करता है, आपका behavior match करता है. So yes, when you keep those close ones, जिनके साथ आपका match करता है, you move forward. But one thing is there, as I was talking criticism, if we don't have critics involved, how will we move forward? We all need to have those critics in our life जो हमें push देते हैं. But those critics, वो कौन होते हैं? We don't know. Can be your friend, can be your parents, can be anybody in your family, can be your acquaintance who thinks good about you, your well-wisher. So anything. Anyone can be your critic. But those critics which let you move forward in life, and when you follow them and you listen to them, you achieve a lot of success. You do not need to hold yourself, अरे ये तो मेरे बारे में बुरा बोल रहा है, मैं तो इससे बात नहीं करूंगी. Find out the real truth, why that person is talking bad about you. I'm not saying go in deep, go ask that person. There is something which we always know that stops us, where we know where we are going wrong, what is going wrong about us, right? So there it comes. आपको पता है आपका critic कौन है, who is your critic. So take it positively. Instead of taking it negative and going against that person only, take it positively. You know, few things, as I always say, this is all here. Few things if we practice, lot of things changes. For example, आज मैं बहुत कमा रही हूँ, मेरे पास बहुत पैसा है, जैसे हमारा 5 things है: अन्न, धन, तन, मन. ये चारों चीजें अगर हमारी अच्छी हैं, व्हाट इज अन्न? द फूड वी ईट, राइट? धन इज आर धन इज आर मनी. Tan is our health, and man is our dil, our, our thinking, what we put, our so हमारे thoughts, हमारी likings. So these 4 things really matter when you have to reach to the ladder of success. If you are earning money, if you're doing well, make sure your clients, your co-workers, people around you stay happy. Reason being, if you exploit somebody, with the same exploited money, you buy food for yourself, you feed the same food for your food to your family, and the same vibes travel. These vibes, I don't know, people do not believe in vibes. There are people who question me कि vibes कैसे travel कर सकती हैं? Vibes होती क्या है? Vibes वही होती हैं जो आप सोचते हैं, जो आप बोलते हैं, and जो आप करते हैं. What you're thinking inside, what you're believing inside, it shows on your face, on your behavior. It shows it, in your aura. As I always say, your aura really reflects you a lot. So definitely your vibes are seen in your aura. So yes, agar if you're exploiting somebody, and with that same exploited money, you're buying food and you're eating that food on the same table with your family. So on the same table, if you're eating, I'm sorry. So on the same table, if you're eating food with your family, that exploited money, how will the vibes travel? Do you think आप सबकी health अच्छी रहेगी? No. The same negative vibes go in that food, and kahin na kahin, health will be a problem. There will be some small issues occurring. Not right now, with the duration of time, health will start creating problem. So yes, as I always say, guys, think and then work, right? So yes, when we talk about money के अंदर हमारे मैटर करते हैं 5 things: higher thoughts, higher energies, higher vibrations, higher frequencies, and higher dimensions, and higher experiences. So what are the high thoughts? Higher thoughts are these thoughts: what you say, what you believe, what you give to the other person are your higher thoughts. And the same way you are giving it, transferring to the other person, that person is transferring to the other person. So you are transferring those higher thoughts to everyone. So I always say, be truthful. Why? Because remember one thing always: truth does not has to be revealed. Truth has the power to reveal on its own, right? Truth के पास इतनी power होती है that it'll reveal on its own. You do not have to lie. Just be truthful for what you are. However you are, doesn't matter. This is what you are. Embrace it. So how do we attract the good money? The good money is only attracted when we embrace, when we embrace the rightness in ourselves. However we are like this. But we are truthful, we are honest. So yes, these things really matter. Then we talk about higher energy. What are higher energy? High energy words. So what are low energy words? When we talk about low energy words, first we talk about, अरे यार मैं तो बहुत ही बिजी रहता हूँ, आई एम अर्निंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी, मगर मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं है, मैं क्या करूँ? People have complained, I don't have time for my children. I'm sure you must have faced these kind of problems in your lifetime as well. I don't have time for my children, I don't have time for my family. Why? Because I'm too busy. This is your low energy word. You are too busy. No. Instead of saying you're too busy, you're supposed to say, I am working right now, I will talk to you later, I will get back to you later. Give that person the right time whenever you're available. Right now, you're committed to your own work, complete that. But whenever you're available for that person, give that person the time which that person requires. See, these kind of mistakes we all commit, okay? Even I have committed these kind of mistakes. There was a time, just 2 weeks back, I was not giving a lot of time to my family. I've been hardly, talking to them, and they had this complaint. And then I realized, I had to put this here. So I realized, what am I doing? We as human beings, we learn with experiences, we learn with our own mistakes, right? So yes, that's what we are doing. We are human beings here, but we're actually spiritual beings which are here for a human experience. So, yes, these spiritual beings, what we are, I always say you should be always inclined towards spirituality. I never say spirituality means पूजा पाठ. No, spirituality is here. कहते हैं ना, हमारे जो क्राउन चक्र के बीच में हमारी सोल होती है, that is our inclination. If this is aligned with spiritually very inclined, if inclined with our chakras, इसलिए मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, feed your body right, feed your body right. अपनी बॉडी को वो खाना दीजिए जो वो रिक्वायर करती है. डोंट गिव इट व्हाट इट डजंट वांट. You feed your body with good food. You all go for dieting, right? हमें पतले होना है. We want to look fit, we want to look smart. So yes, if you're feeding your body with that good food, why not feeding your body with that right thoughts, right words, and right attitude? So yes, you really need to feed your body right. Now when we talk about next, we move on to, again, the first is higher vibrations. What are higher vibrations? Again, as I have explained, money is something, that we buy goods, we buy services. It's a liquid asset, right? But again, before you have the money in your wallet, you need to have money in your bank, your heart, your brain, in your mind, in your state of mind. If you feel, you know I have money, I have everything what I want, and you will see the difference. If you keep saying, yes, I have what I want, I have the money with me. There are people, जो 200 CRs कमा के भी, they are not very happy, right? And there are people who is not a millionaire, who are not even earning 2 millions, 3 millions, but they're very happy in their life. They're content. you know that is where the real money lies. I'm not saying don't earn money. I'm not saying, don't push yourself down. But what I'm saying right now is, here where is your strength lies. Your strength is here, that you have money. You need to have money in your head. You need to have money in your heart. You have money in your bank. You have money in your wallet. But if that money is not in your head, if that money is not in your heart, if you do not know how to share, if you do not know that money, how to use it properly. Some people tell me, there are people telling me, अरे पैसा तो वो है, we earn money, money is that what we save, we should save money instead of spending it. No. As Indians, I always believe, as Indians, I'm also Indian, we have this thing, we actually, all of us have this thing, कि अगर, if a shampoo, in a bottle of a shampoo, if it gets finished, we, use water, कि, the last drop also, we should use it and finish it, right? And when it comes to the paste, we make sure the last drop of the paste also gets over. But when we go to a mall, when we go for a shopping, we don't think before spending, you know so we are the same people that will spend a good amount of money, on clothes, on shopping, but at home, शैम्पू पूरी तरह खत्म होना चाहिए, तब तक फेंका नहीं जाएगा. So yes, money is your abundance of money is only when you have that money in your head and money in your heart. So yes, higher vibrations, higher frequencies, and higher dimensions. These four things also matter a lot. Vibrations, people will stop you, people will pull you down, people will bring you down, right? But आपका वही जीता है. You win there when you know that nothing can stop you. You are here alone. Nobody is here with you. As a soul, I'm talking about. We have all rishtas, everybody. Hi Vidhu, I'm not taking any questions right now. It's a session going on, a webinar. I'm not taking any questions. I will get back on my personal page. So, yes. Yeah, sorry. Okay. So, yes, your feelings drive your actions. Your actions drive your results. Always remember that. So, yes, draw those feelings which your feelings are going to drive your actions, and your actions are going to drive your results. So, yes, guys, know what appears in your mind, the first thought which appears in your mind about anybody. As I always say that I am thinking negative of this person, my vibe will travel definitely. So here it comes vibrations. वाइब्रेशंस बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करती हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा। तो आप अपनी वाइब्रेशंस अच्छी रखो, attract the same vibes, same tribe, the same vibing people for you. Attract those people in your life and start seeing the difference. You cannot, as I said, you cannot deal with anybody. Remember, the key to success is being with the right people, making the right choices. What are right choices? I do not know what are the right choices for me. I to just make choice. Maybe I see I just make choice and then I see, oh, it's right or wrong. Right choices are then when you have higher energy words for yourself. What are switch words? I always say, people use switch words to अपना काम निकालने के लिए. आपके पास स्विच वर्ड्स होते हैं. देर आर मेनी स्विच वर्ड्स लाइक रीच. सो देर आर, if I have to go to a lost some article, I say reach, I already find it. So there are a lot of switch words. Why this science was created? Because trust me, अगर आप बोलोगे ना पूरा दिन बिजी हो, आपके पास टाइम नहीं है, तो नहीं रहेगा, नहीं रहेगा टाइम. Just say I am working, I am there. Just say I'm there, I'm working, excuse me. So yeah, say I'm there, I'm working, and you see, all change your vocabulary. Change your vocabulary, change those words in your vocabulary. When you start changing those words in your vocabulary, you will start seeing the changes. And I'm not actually being biased to any community. Again, I'm talking about Indians. So, as Indians, we have a lot of patience. As I always say, don't lose patience. हमारे पास बहुत patience है traffic jams में खड़े होने का, anywhere, standing in the queues. We have a lot of patience. There is no problem in patience with us. वरना हमें सिखाई दी जाती है. This is in our blood, patience. So yes, patience to handle your relationships and move forward also matters, because money can only be earned when you are socially active, emotionally happy, mentally stable, physically stable, spiritually inclined. So, these factors will lead you to earn more money. And yes, as I say that, yes, just these factors would actually make you to lead more money. Patience हमारे बीच में, as Indians हम तो वही सोचते हैं कि कुछ भी हो जाए, हम तो कुछ भी हो जाए, हम एंड तक चीज़ें करते ही करते हैं, पेशेंस रखते ही रखते हैं. वी डोंट गिव अप वेरी इजीली, राइट? सो यस, पेशेंस बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करती है. आपकी पेशेंस आपका बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग की पॉइंट है, बहुत ज़्यादा. एंड योर टाइम, when you give the right time to the people who require, you see the difference in your life. Money, wealth. Wealth is not just in your bank. Wealth is here. How you grow with it. You cannot judge a person. आपके पास कितना है, मेरे पास कितना है. No, you judge a person with their aura, with their vibes. As I always say, no soul is bad. Okay, कोई soul बुरी नहीं है. All souls are good. But idhar, in this world, we all are here, you know to grow. We all are here to complete our karmic connections, karmic things which are with people. So yes, we don't have to blame people all the time, because as a soul to aap bhi pure ho. Everybody's pure when it comes to soul. तो soul सबकी pure होती है. Nobody. Situations, I always say, situations make a person bad. A person is never bad. A situation will make you bad. But in this case, if you're not vibing with that person, again I'm saying, आप अलग हो जाओ, आप साइड पे हो जाओ. Why do you need to take that person's negativity into your life and make your life negative? These small things, if you keep taking to your heart, you will never achieve success. We all keep finding the secret what life holds for us. We all want to know कि यार वो secret क्या है जो हमारी life हमारे लिए hold करती है. But we know nobody is interested to go in the journey of life, experience that journey of our life, and unveil the secrets with every day, with every passing day. Okay, now we will talk about how to deal with concerns. So, yes, begin with the attitude of gratitude. As I always say, just be thankful for whatever you have, for whatever, our desires, our wants can never end. There is no limit to money, there's no limit to wealth. You are satisfied when you are inclined. And that's why guys always say कि आप कभी भी ना meditation 10 मिनट जरूर करिए. you'll just see how you start attracting different vibes, different people, see how you start attracting a lot of new things in your life. Now, when we talk about gratitude, so just thanks everybody, just be thankful to everybody around you. Excuse me. Last time also I told you that sanitize sanitizing your hands doesn't have anything, any connection of sanitizing your body. So you have to sanitize your body. And idhar hi, see, I'm not saying up rose karo meditation, but trust me, as being a youth of today, I have seen that difference in my life, difference in my thinking, difference in my opinions, and difference in a lot of things. The way I attract things by just meditating for 10 minutes. I'm not, marketing time meditation over here, trust me. But I'm just trying to make you realize it's really good for your body. And you will start seeing those changes which will happen in your body, in your attitude, in your aura, everything around you. Because those low vibration words we all have in our life, and we all want to replace them, right? So those low vibration words can only be replaced with the higher vibration words when this is at a higher state, this is at a higher state. So yes, remember one thing, write down today. We will carry forward this session in the coming week. So yes, write down the concerns and fears you have about your money. Whatever fears and concerns you have about yourself, your money, write it down, make a list of it. So remember one thing, nothing is right and nothing is wrong, so do not judge yourself first. So don't worry, कुछ भी सही कुछ भी गलत है, अपने आप को जज ना करिए, और आप ये 10 चीजें लिखिए. Write these 10 things down, and just give yourself time. As I say, I will get back to you next week. आप 10 चीजें लिखिए, and I really want we will discuss this. We will make this session more interactive, and we will discuss this, that what are those things which you have written, and then we will talk about them further. And thank you for everyone who came online and attended this session. And again, a happy new year to everyone. आपको बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं इस नए साल की. We will keep in touch. We will keep conducting these sessions and make our life positive. Thank you.